हेलो एवरीवन। उम्मीद है आप लोग ठीक होंगे। आज की वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे 10 इम्पॉर्टेंट एमईपी सुपरवाइज़र इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस और आंसर्स के बारे में। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, कैन यू ब्रीफली इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ एंड योर एमईपी एक्सपीरियंस? जवाब है यस सर। आई हैव ओवर 6 years of experience working as an MEP supervisor in residential towers and commercial buildings. I manage the daily site work for mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems. I coordinate with engineers, foremen, and subcontractors to make sure the work is done as per drawings and safety rules. I also monitor material usage, check inspections, and solve site problems. Question number 2, how do you handle coordination between mechanical, electrical, and plumbing teams? जवाब है coordination is very important. I conduct daily toolbox talks and coordination meetings. I check the latest IFC drawings and compare them with shop drawings to avoid clashes. For example, if an electrical cable tray and a chilled water pipe are passing in the same ceiling area, I adjust levels or reroute based on priority. I also use coordination drawings in AutoCAD if available. Question number 3, what are the key systems you supervise in your MEP scope? जवाब है I supervise HVAC systems like FCUs, AHUs, ducting, electrical systems, LV panels, MDBs, SMDBs, cabling, lighting, and plumbing systems, water supply, drainage, pumps. In some projects, I also supervise firefighting systems, including sprinklers, fire hose reels, and fire pumps. Question number 4, can you explain how you manage inspection requests IRs? जवाब है yes. Before submitting an IR, I first check the work completion and ensure it is as per approved drawings and method statements. I also verify that all materials are approved and tagged. Then I coordinate with QA, QC, and the consultant for inspection. If any comments are received, I get them closed immediately. I always keep NCRs, non-conformance reports, to zero. Question number 5, what safety procedures do you follow on site as an MEP supervisor? जवाब है safety is always first. I ensure my team wears proper PPE like gloves, helmets, safety shoes, and goggles. I don't allow hard works without valid hard work permits. I make sure lockout tagout is used during electrical work. For confined spaces like manholes, I check gas levels and ventilation. I also conduct daily safety briefings and follow HSE guidelines strictly. Question number 6, what type of testing and commissioning activities do you handle? जवाब है I handle pre-commissioning and commissioning for HVAC systems like air balancing and chilled water flushing. For electrical systems like insulation resistance testing using Megger, continuity testing, and for plumbing systems like hydrostatic testing for pressure pipes. I also arrange third-party testing for fire alarms and BMS systems if required. Question number 7, how do you manage material approvals and site deliveries? जवाब है before starting any activity, I ensure that the material submittal is approved by the consultant. I follow the procurement schedule and coordinate with the storekeeper for delivery. When materials arrive on site, I check them physically and make sure they match the approved samples. If the wrong item comes, I reject it and request replacement. Question number 8. What tools or software do you use in your daily supervision? जवाब है I use AutoCAD for checking MEP layouts and Revit for coordination if BIM is available. For documentation, I use MS Excel and Word to make daily reports and material logs. For site tracking, sometimes I use Procore or Equinix depending on the project. I also use laser levels, clamp meters, and multimeters for checking site work. Question number 9. How do you deal with emergency issues or breakdowns on site? जवाब है if there is a power failure or leakage, I respond immediately. First, I ensure the area is safe and isolated. Then I find the root cause and deploy my team to fix it quickly. For example, if a chilled water line is leaking, I shut the valves, drain the section, and repair the joint. I also inform the project engineer and update the breakdown log. Question number 10. What makes you a good fit for this MEP supervisor role? जवाब है Sir, I am technically strong and very responsible. I always complete the work within deadlines and I maintain quality and safety. I have experience handling multiple MEP systems at once and solving real site problems under pressure. I also maintain good communication with consultants, engineers, and workers. I believe I can add real value to your project. ये थे MEP सुपरवाइज़र के टॉप 10 इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस और आंसर्स। उम्मीद है आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी। वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइए कि आपको अगली वीडियो कौन से टॉपिक पर चाहिए।